Hi, my name's Darren, this is Steve. We're here with Versoflor today, or Versodeck if you're one of our American cousins, and we're going to go through how to clean your surface.
So this floor's been down for 2 years now, I believe. So it's had a lot of wear, there's been all sorts on it. We've had dogs running over it, grass cuttings, moss growing on it. We'll start off with the traditional brush and a bit of water out the bucket. We'll give it a spray down with the hose, see what that does. We move on to a bit more technical kit, the patio cleaner. We'll give that a go, because that goes with the jet wash. This bad boy, we've got different heads on, some are very powerful, so we're going to probably put that through the test as well at some point.
Are you happy with your equipment, Steve?
I am indeed, yeah. It's a weathered brush, but I'm pretty sure it's going to do the job. So just a brush and plain water,
yeah.
Bit of water out of the watering can, brings it up almost brand new.
What do you think of that? A bit more technical than the brush?
It's feeling a little bit more me, this.
Yeah, I'll point it down, just show
You're
not worried there, Steve. I thought I was going to lose an eye. Seemed to make the whole cleaning exercise nice and easy, to be honest. No rinsing afterwards, and it's done a great job of the floor, and that looks brand new again. So moving on.
Out of a 10, 9.
9?
Yeah.
Because anything can be improved.
Exactly.
Right.
That piece.
So what we need to do is we're going to test it on my melons, and we're going to see how powerful it is and see if you can damage my melons.
Yeah.
Well then. So do we think that that's appropriate for cleaning the floor?
I'd probably stay away from something like that.
Yeah.
Just because of how precise that jet is myself.
Yeah.
So
Versoflor is made out of a special material that we developed ourselves. So it'd be interesting to see whether they've managed to damage the surface of the material itself. You can see the mosaics have all stayed in. They all took the nozzle right up close, so they got maximum pressure, and they're all secure, and these are separate parts that clip into this location. The surface of the material has not been affected by that extreme tool at all, so that kind of shows the durability of the product and the durability of the material. Is that your weapon of choice?
yeah, this is what I'm going to use. We'll get a cleaning, get it all done, and we'll see the end result. I think it's going to look pretty good.
Job done, surface nice and clean, so that's 15 square meters, which is about 162 square foot. Cleaned in 10-12 minutes thereabouts with the jet wash and the head. Yeah. 2 years of grime, completely gone.
Jet wash did a good job of that. Yeah, very quick, very easy. Just cut straight through that grime, as we say, without no trouble at all. So yeah, mosaics all still in. We knew that weren't going to be a problem after the power test that we did.
Yeah, I just wanted to touch on how easy this surface to look after compared to, let's say, a wooden decking area. If you've got a wooden decking area, then you've got to clean it, you've got to treat it on a regular basis, and eventually that surface is going to rot and need replacing at considerable cost. This is low maintenance, it will never rot. It's really hard wearing. We demonstrated with the really powerful jet wash how strong the material is and how robust those mosaics are. So guys, thanks very much for watching our video today. I hope you learned something about how to look after your Versoflor or Versadeck. So Steve.
Yeah, click like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for future videos.
And don't forget to check out our video library. There's lots of cool content over there, and I'm sure that you'll enjoy watching. So again, thanks very much for watching, guys. Until next time.